So good evening to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video, we will be discussing about a Morpen laboratory share. So it was also recommended in the comment section. So I've decided to make a video on it. So whenever any share analysis you want, so do mention in comment section. I will definitely make the video. It may take little time, but I'll not miss to make a video on any share. Okay. So we'll discuss all the fundamental as well as technical. So mainly we'll focus on the technicals of this particular share. Already I've made one video on the fundamental analysis of Morpen Laboratories. I've discussed everything. So we'll slightly discuss the Morpen Laboratory fundamentals, and then we'll see levels where we can focus. Okay, I'm also focusing on my website where I will update all the stocks, whether it may be penny stocks, positional stocks. I'll also do special analysis about the earnings reports, balance sheet. So in a simplest way, I'll try to write in my website so that in any of you can visit and view all of the post. Okay, so that will be done. So that's why I was busy, so that's why I'm uploading only one video for today. Okay, so watch the video till the end. So if you're having any doubts, so do ask in the comment section. Okay, if you see the current market price of Morpen Lab is around 21.35. At last movement it has given a very good move and it has hit the upper circuit. Not only this stock, even the Nectar Life Sciences has also given 10% up move. So if you see the market cap of this particular company is around 960.38 crores, and if you see industry PE is around 31.89, and current P is around 29 rupees. Okay, 29.65 is the PE. Okay, next if we see the deliveries are almost 43.63 and book value is around 6.83. Okay, this is the basic overview. Now let's see the shareholding. So okay, if you look into the shareholding, you can see that the public is having almost 50%. We can say 50.8% is with the public, and next 34.5 is with the promoter. So the promoter has kept his shareholding almost constant since the past years as well. So only minute, that is in points, only the change has been seen. So no major decrease or increase by the promoter. And other institutions are having almost 3.9%, and mutual funds are not yet, implies that no big mutual fund houses have invested in it. FIs are having a slight holding as well. So we'll see which institutions have a good stake in this particular company. Okay, if you see the changes in this company, you can see that promoter holding marginally changed to 34.54% as of June 2020 quarter, and FIs and FPIs holding has also changed to 0.8% as of June 2020 quarter. So slight changes have been seen. So that's what I was telling. And number of FIs and FPIs holding stock rose by 4 to 24 in June 2020 quarter. So FIs holding has increased and institutional investors holding marginally changed to 14.71% as of 2020. So when I first made video on this Morpen Labs, that time the P was almost 33. Okay, it was slightly more than the industry PE as well. So that's why I told you need to wait patiently, and positional traders can take a very good move in this particular stock, and positionally it has given very good returns. And if you are investing for long term, then definitely you need to have a lot of patience, because the stock almost is at this level only. Okay, so it requires a good management as well as good move. Okay, so that will take time and you need to wait patiently. Okay, now let's see the recent institutional holding as well as the financials of this company. Okay, if we see the foreign portfolio investors are having almost 0.8% only. That's what I was telling, 0.82%, and financial institution banks are having almost 0.52, and insurance companies are having almost 4.82. Okay, and that too LIC is having almost 1.69%. So this is only the major stakes in this particular company. So no mutual funds have yet invested heavily in this particular company. Okay, now let's see the financials. Okay, if you see the financials of this particular company, so major deal for this particular company was the revenue generation. So you can see since September 2019, December 2019, you can see revenue has decreased almost in December 2019. So revenue was almost 234.7. So apart from that, you can see profit is very good. You can say profit is increasing very well. You can see almost it has increased from 15.3 to 18.8 in March 2020 quarter. If the quarter one results will come, then definitely we need to look out for that as well. And next, if we see profit before tax was also increased slightly, and net profit has also been increasing. But you can see in between the September as well as June 2019, there was a slight decrease in this particular profit as well as revenue. But later it has improved. But now the quarter one results will be very crucial for it. So we'll see. I think the profit will increase. So once the profit and everything increases, definitely further move will be possible. So whenever the results come, then definitely that also I will update. So this is the basic financials. You can see everything is okay. Only the revenue is a not big problem, minute problem for this particular company. So that's what I was telling. So growth in net profit with increasing profit margin. So you can see net profit is increasing with profit margin, and quarterly net profit has also increased, that we have seen. Only revenue has went down and company is at zero promoter pledge, and book value is also improving. Okay, if you see the Morpen Laboratories price movement, that is the returns, if you can see that almost in 3 months it has given you 25.96% returns, 6 months it has given 41.86, and 3 years 14.8%, and 1 year it has given 30.18. And if you see 10 years time frame, it has given 194.5% returns, and 5 years 63.6% returns. So we can see a very good returns were reported by this particular company, and major move has to come in this particular stock. Further movement should happen, because for many years it has remained in this particular range only. So major move is to come, and we need to wait patiently if you are holding. Okay, if you see the technicals of this particular stock, you can see the simple moving averages are shown, that is 30, 50, 100 and 200. So you can see the current resistance, that is the 50 SMA, is around 21.9, and you can see Morpen Laboratories is trading about 200 SMA. Okay, and also if you see exponential moving averages, we can see one at 22.3 and 50 EMA at 21.5. So we'll see that on charts as well. And rest of all, you can see 19.6 where it has taken the support. Okay, and it's trading about 200 EMA. That's also very good sign for the company. Now let's see on charts, and we'll try to find out the levels. So we are into the 1 week chart. So you can see from the 1 week chart that the stock is currently, you can see almost since many weeks, you can see it was in continuous downtrend. Okay, since many weeks it was in continuous downtrend, and now it has taken the support at this particular point, and it is showing some positive movement. So immediate people who have taken at 19.74 and 20, they can definitely hold this stock, and people are doing positional as well. So good amount of move will be possible. So immediate resistances are around 22.38 as well as 21.9, which is the exponential moving averages. So once it gives breakout from that region, then definitely further move will be possible, and the quarter one results also will boost the movement. Okay, and apart from that, you can see money flow index, since many weeks it was down, but now it has shown some upward movement. Okay, now we'll see on 1 day chart. So 1 day chart, you can see how well, okay, it has respected this region. So 20.39 from where it has taken the support, and then it has given a good bounce back, and 21.35 is a very good resistance. So once it gives bounce back from that, then definitely further move will be possible, and targets will be 22 as well as 24 within 1 week. Okay, so you need to focus on these levels, and people who are invested can definitely hold it. And for if you want to wait patiently, and if you want to hold it for next month, then 27 also you can watch out. Okay, so focus on these levels and invest only on dips and in small quantities. So this is all about Morpen Laboratories. So if you like the video, definitely like it, and next videos will discuss about another share. So until then, take care. Bye bye.